Welcome to Joe's Carts. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through the process of filling out the South Carolina DMV registration form to get your new golf cart officially registered. First, download the registration application from the DMV website. You should have received an email from us with a direct link to download it. Next, open the application and check off the first time applicant box up here. Now you will need to fill in the vehicle identification number. For golf carts, this is the serial number which can be found on your bill of sale. After that, fill the make and year of your cart, followed by the owner's legal name, as well as their South Carolina driver's license. If you don't have a South Carolina driver's license, you will need to put your social security. You do not need to fill in the customer number, so you can skip that. If you will have a co-owner of the cart, you will fill in their legal name as well, and their South Carolina driver's license or social security if they do not have a South Carolina driver's license. Again, you can skip the customer number, it is not necessary. Next, you will put in the residence, street address, city, state, and zip of where the cart will reside. After that, you can skip the additional operating address, it's not necessary. You would fill in your mailing address. This is where they're going to be mailing you back the decal that you would be applying to your cart once the registration is complete. After that, you will fill in the insurance certification section by putting the insurance company that you're using to insure your cart, sign and date. Following that, you would read the operating restrictions and sign and date that you understand. Finally, you would make a check payable to SCDMV for $5, and you would mail it in along with this form to the address at the bottom. And that's it. Once that is in the mail, all you have to do is wait for the registration to be completed and they'll mail you a decal back and you'll be fully registered with the South Carolina DMV. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at Joe's Carts and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.